Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Shift Architect tutorial, how to create wall under stairs. For example, I will create stairs, and the next you can active for the perspective overview, and I will move to the right of the plan view. Now to create the wall under stairs, you can use these wall tools and then make sure the wall is behind the stair like this. You can click to set and it will be create the wall under stairs. Like in another side, you can create again, like from this point into this point. And then to move these walls, you can use the selection tools. Select the wall object, and then you can use the arrow in keyboard to move the wall behind or under the stairs. And this is for the 3D preview. Okay, that's it for basic Shift Architect tutorial, how to wall under stairs. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.